Rice varieties, exploring the diversity of flavors and textures. Are you a rice lover eager to delve into the world of different rice varieties? Look no further. In this article, we'll take you on a journey through the diverse landscape of rice, from fluffy basmati to sticky sushi rice, exploring its unique characteristics, flavors, and culinary applications. The Tamil people have been growing and eating rice for thousands of years, with thousands of different varieties. Adoption of another variety led to the disappearance of several types. In her lifetime, the late agriculturist Nell Jayaraman, Nell is Tamil means paddy, identified over 170 kinds of traditional rice. According to Professor Susuma Ono of Gakushuin University in Japan, the Tamils arrived in Japan 2,000 years ago, during the Yayoi period, 500 BCE to 300 CE, and taught us how to cultivate, harvest, and eat rice. Common types of rice. Rice, a staple for a large part of the world's population, comes in various shapes, sizes, and colors. The three main types are long grain, medium grain, and short grain. Long grain rice, known for its long and slender grains, offers a fluffy texture when cooked. Basmati and jasmine rice are popular varieties, each lending its fragrant aroma to dishes like pilafs and stir-fries. Medium grain rice, slightly shorter and plumper than long grain, boasts a slightly sticky texture ideal for dishes like paella and risotto. Arborio rice, a well-known variety, creates a creamy consistency in Italian cuisine. Short grain rice, with its round and plump grains, is perfect for dishes like sushi. Sushi rice, also known as sticky or glutinous rice, contributes to the characteristic texture of sushi rolls. Specialty rice varieties. Beyond the common types, specialty rice varieties offer unique flavors and textures for adventurous cooks. Wild rice, although not botanically classified as rice but rather as the seed of marsh grass, contributes a nutty flavor and chewy texture to dishes like pilafs and salads. Another unique variety, bamboo rice, falls into this category and is obtained from bamboo trees. What about the wild rice from a tree, bamboo rice? Black rice, also known as forbidden rice, is distinguished by its striking dark color and possesses a slightly sweet, nutty flavor. Abundant in antioxidants, it finds its way into salads, desserts, and savory dishes. Its nickname, forbidden rice, originates from its exclusive consumption by the royals and the wealthy, making it off-limits to the general public at one time. Red rice, with its reddish-brown hue and nutty flavor, retains its shape well when cooked, making it perfect for grain salads and side dishes. Rice with bran is healthier than white rice. Red rice, both unpolished, dehusked, and polished. The polished rice is used for the pongal and congee. Brown rice, a staple in Tamil cuisine, retains its outer bran layer, providing fiber and nutrients beneficial for digestion and blood sugar regulation. If you visit a Tamil restaurant for lunch, you will likely be asked whether you prefer white or brown rice. Healthy brown rice, bran is trapped. This should be the choice of those who like brown bread. Cooked brown rice, popular among the Tamils. Another popular rice variety is samba, commonly used in a popular biryani dish in Tamil Nadu, India, Thalai biryani. The name, Thalai biryani, originated from the chef who invented it, distinguished by his turban or thalayapa. Therefore, the renowned Thalai biryani is attributed to the culinary expertise of the turban-wearing chef. Additionally, it is a key ingredient in lump rice, also known as lampriyas, a beloved dish among the Tamil community in north and eastern Sri Lanka. Short grain rice variety, samba. A yellow rice, samba, dish. Health benefits of different rice varieties. Each rice variety offers unique health benefits, enriching your diet with essential nutrients. Brown rice, a whole grain, provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support healthy digestion and blood sugar levels. Wild rice, rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, aids weight management and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Black rice, packed with anthocyanins, protects against heart disease and cancer while providing essential nutrients like iron and fiber. Red rice, with its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, promotes heart health and overall well-being. Cooking techniques for different rice varieties. Perfecting rice requires specific cooking techniques tailored to each variety. Long grain rice benefits from rinsing to remove excess starch before cooking. Medium grain rice requires a 1 to 1.5 rice to water ratio, while short grain rice like sushi rice needs thorough rinsing for optimal stickiness. Popular rice dishes from around the world. Rice is a staple in cuisines worldwide, inspiring signature dishes like pongal from Tamil Nadu, biryani from the Indian subcontinent, paella from Spain, sushi from Japan, and risotto from Italy. Rice cultivation and production. Rice cultivation, practiced for millennia, involves flooded paddy fields for optimal growth. The process includes seed germination, field preparation, planting, and harvesting, followed by processing steps like milling and grading. Paddy, ready for harvesting. Sustainable farming practices for rice production. The age-old yet still practiced method of preparing land for farming. Sustainable farming practices like alternate wetting and drying, integrated pest management, and precision agriculture enhance resource efficiency and reduce environmental impact in rice cultivation. Rice trade and global consumption. Asia leads global rice consumption and production, with significant trade among countries like China, Thailand, Vietnam, India, Nigeria, Iran, and Saudi Arabia. Conclusion. Rice varieties offer a rich tapestry of flavors and textures, transcending borders and cultures. Embrace the diversity of rice, experiment with new recipes, and elevate your culinary journey to new heights. Challenge your taste buds, savor the rich heritage, and celebrate the endless possibilities that rice has to offer. It's time to embark on a delicious adventure and elevate your rice game. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.